Hi, my name's Laurie. I'm from Bargard and I'm 18. I discovered the apprenticeship scheme whilst I was in my second year of college. I fancied a change, so I went to visit my Careers Wales advisor, and this apprenticeship scheme popped up. I never thought of applying for an apprenticeship scheme, but I'm really grateful that I did. Since working here, I've discovered how many events are really held at the National Assembly, and especially in the Senedd and the Peerhead. I didn't realise what really goes on here, and I didn't realise how important the National Assembly actually is to Wales.
Hello, I'm Dan. I'm 19 years of age and I'm from Pontypridd. I discovered the apprenticeship scheme through a Careers Wales. I thought it was a fantastic opportunity and I was willing to take it up. I'm currently working in EFM, Estates and Facilities Management. My line manager is Miranda Parker. She has provided me with plenty of work, and I've discovered mostly about the Assembly that it's all about taking a blank slate and moulding it into something that can work and function in the Assembly as a part of a team.
Hello, my name is Satira. I'm 17 years old and I'm from Splot. I discovered the apprenticeship scheme through my mum. She told me to give it a go. I didn't really think anything of it, but I'm glad I did. I work in ICT and I'm in an amazing department. Everyone's lovely, you learn new things every day and there's never a dull moment. I'm enjoying working here because I've discovered so many new things about the National Assembly and how important it is to Wales. I've discovered how important ICT is to the Assembly members to allow them to do their roles, and I look forward to working more closely with the Assembly members in the future.
My name's Stephanie and I'm from Cardiff and I work in Colwyn Bay, North Wales as part of the front of house team as an apprentice. I discovered the apprenticeship scheme through a friend who told me to go and have a look on Careers Wales and said there was lots of different ones available on there, and this one was the one that suited me best. In work at the moment I take quite a lot of bookings for events that are held in the Senedd or the Peerhead, and I also take bookings for Senedd tours so people can come in, have a look around the Senedd and see what goes on here, and I also book for plenary seats so people can come in and see debates and they can go to the committees and see what goes on from the members' point of view as well. I've learnt quite a lot about what the National Assembly for Wales does, because before I started working here I thought the government and the National Assembly for Wales were the same thing, so I was quite surprised to learn about what you do here and all the different roles that there are within the organisation. Dwi meddwl bod o'n rili pwysig bod plant heddiw yn dysgu sut i siarad Cymraeg oherwydd mae yna loads o swyddi sydd orfodol ti angen siarad Cymraeg.
Hello, my name's Joshua Phillips. I'm 18 years old and I live in Neath. I found out about the apprenticeship in the National Assembly of Wales on Careers Wales website online. My line manager is Leanne Hockey. I'm currently working in the resources group. I'm based in the finance section, but I'll be studying governance and audit and the procurement sections as well as the finance. When I first joined the National Assembly, I didn't really know much about what was going on, what it done within Wales. But since working here, I've discovered everything, pretty much what it does. I've only been here a month, but I've already learned a lot more than what I knew when I first started here.
Hi, my name's Ria. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Swansea. I came across the apprenticeship scheme when I was doing work experience in the local job centre, and they suggested I should do it. And it was a brilliant idea and I love it so far. Everybody's great here and they're friendly. I currently work in the coordination unit and my line manager is Richard Johnson. What I've discovered about the Assembly is all about how the committees work, how meetings are done, and how plenary is held, and how that the Welsh Assembly scrutinises the government and how this benefits Wales.